The topic we are dealing with now is called taxes. This issue is very important because we all have to pay taxes when we receive income or make purchases. You have no doubt heard the famous Benjamin Franklin quote, "In this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes." Taxes are an unavoidable part of life, so you need to know what taxes you'll have to pay and how to pay them. A percent is part of something, split into 100 pieces. Example. A customer wants to tip 15% on a restaurant bill that is $60. What is the tip amount? To find the tip, we need to multiply the percent by the price of the restaurant bill. 15% is 15 divided by 100. If we multiply 15 hundredths by 60, the answer is $9. This is the amount of the tip. What will be the total bill with the tip? To answer this question, we need to add the tip to the price. $60 plus $9 equals $69. This is the total bill with the tip. The percent of change is the amount that a number increases or decreases, stated as a percent. Simply subtract the old value from the new value, then divide by the old value. Multiply the result by 100 and slap a percent sign on it. That's your percent change. Example, my sister works in a HEB for $8 per hour. If her pay is increased to $10, then what is her percent increase in pay? To find the amount of change, you must subtract the original amount from the new amount, then divide the difference by the original number. 10 minus 8 equals 2, 2 divided by 8 equals 1/4. A quarter is one of 4 equal parts. It can also be written as 25 hundredths or 25%. The increase in pay of my sister is 25%. A percent of increase is a percent of change describing an increase in quantity. If in this school year our school population is 5,000 students and 10 years ago they were only 4,000 students, what was the percent increase? To find the amount of change, you must subtract the original amount from the new amount. 5,000 minus 4,000 equals 1,000 students, that is the difference. Then divide the difference by the original number, 4,000 students. The decimal value is 0.25. 2 decimal places represent hundredths. Percent of decrease is a percent of change describing a decrease in a quantity. Example, the price of a book decreases from $20 to $15. Express the decrease as a percentage of the old price. Old equals 20, new equals 15, percent change equals 15 minus 20, divided by 20 and multiplied by 100%. Minus 5 divided by 20 equals minus 1/5. Or minus 25%. The answer obtained is a negative number, which means that it is a percentage of decrease. In other words, the sale is 25% off, that means you are paying 75% of the original price. Tax is an amount of money that you have to pay to the government. The government collects taxes to pay for public services and programs such as police, firefighters, libraries, hospitals, prisons, highways, and other public services. Sales tax are paid when buying something. Income tax are paid when someone earns money. Property tax are paid by people who has real estate properties, such as houses, offices, buildings, farms or land. Payroll tax is a portion of an employee's wages that is withheld for the purpose of complying with tax laws. By law, the employer are required to withhold the payroll tax and pay on behalf of their employees. The tax rate is the percentage of an amount, such as the personal income, that has to be paid in tax. Federal tax rates in 2018 varied from 10% to 37%. As income rises, increasingly higher taxes are imposed. The sales tax is a percentage that is added to the price of the product that is purchased at the time of its sale. The sales tax in the United States varies from one state to another. They are generally in a range of 4 to 7%. In Texas, the sales tax is 6.25%. What will happen if you don't pay your income tax? If you don't pay the taxes, then you can have serious problems. You can go to jail for not filing your taxes. You can go to jail for lying on your return. Also, the court can order your personal property being seized to pay off those back taxes, or even send you to prison for years. If you don't pay your property taxes, the tax collector may start a foreclosure, and you can lose your home. Foreclosure is what happens when a homeowner fails to pay the mortgage or the property taxes. Foreclosure, it's a legal process by which the owner forfeits all rights to the property. The chart shows that last year, 676,500 families lost their homes by foreclosure.